What's up, this is your girl Keisha, aka at the Hood Soaper. You can follow me on Instagram over there to see a little glimpse of the products that I make on my website, www.ascendantsoaps.com. Today we are going to be making, I am going to be making something that I was very curious about, which is seamoss soap. Now, seamoss is touted for having all these nutrients that the body, it has almost all of the minerals that the body needs. I think it said 92, 96 minerals. Don't quote me, but yes, it is around that number. I just can't remember at the time, but because of that, it's considered a superfood, and it's also good for the skin. So what other better way to get some nutrients in your body besides the biggest living organ that you have on your body with a whole bunch of teeny little holes? Ew, that might sound disgusting, but is your skin. So today we are going to be making some, why can't I get myself together? Seamoss soap. And we are going to be using purple sea moss today. So that is part of my lye water solution situation, or is going to be part of the liquid portion of my soap batter. I decided to super fat with jojoba oil today. And I put some frankincense oil in there because frankincense oil is good for hyperpigmentation. So we got a lot of good stuff going on here. And my new favorite oil to use is hemp seed oil. Now, hemp seed oil along with olive oil will make your, your soap batter have like a green hue to it, but I mean, it doesn't take away from any of the beneficial properties going along with the soap. So first I'm going to add the sea moss gel to my oils over here. And you know what else I didn't put in here, which I normally put, which I'm about to put right now? Is some kaolin clay. So I will be putting in I will be putting 3 teaspoons of kaolin clay. Almost forgot that. I love me some kaolin clay. I love all clays for the skin. They help with detoxifying. They also help with being antimicrobial. Really good for the skin. Packed with minerals. So yeah, I love my clays. So we're going to blend up the sea moss along with this kaolin clay. And this time it's going inside here instead of the big pot instead of the small pot going into the big pot. The big pot is going to go into the small pot because this batch is smaller than the carrot soap. So now I'm going to put in the rest of my lye water, and I'm just going to strain it through this strainer because it looks like it has lye crystals. And you don't want lye crystals in your soap batter because, that means that the lye is not mixed properly. Even though it was mixed properly beforehand, lye crystals form sometimes when your lye water is cooling down. Even though this lye water is at 100 and something as far as the temperature goes, this batter is still pretty warm. So yeah. Okay, now I am going to pour this batter off a few times. And I'm just going to add my super fat, which is my jojoba oil. And I also have my fragrance in here. And I have my frankincense. Essential oil in here. Okay. I'm going to get rid of this cup because it's wet. But I have other cups over here which are dry. And so today we are going to be using these cute molds. And I got these molds off of Amazon. I get a lot of my molds from Amazon. So if anyone is curious. And it's thickening up, as y'all can see. So we're going to have to move quick. Once more. So I'm just going to pour the soaps into these molds right here. Because it's like those ones over there, they're extra like. But I want them to be smooth, so I'm just go like that. Now I do have these molds right here. So I'm going to fill some of them up. Or I'll probably just fill this one up right here. Because I think the rest of this will be able to just go in here. Can't really show y'all. Well, I can. So yeah. Just scrape it. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you want to see more videos like this, just hit the like button. Turn on your notifications and you will know each time I upload a new video. I do not only make soaps, I make other products, and I don't have any new videos on my Patreon, but I will be uploading one probably this week. That is the plan. I'm not gonna, don't quote me and don't be like, oh my god, Keisha said that she was going to upload a video to her Patreon. I said I might upload a video this week, so hopefully that will get done. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. Follow me at the Hood Soaper on Instagram. You can check out my website at www.ascendantsoaps.com. And if you have any questions or you want to email me some suggestions of products that y'all want me to see, that y'all want to see me make, or that y'all want, you know, up on my website, y'all can always email me at ascendantsoaps.com. So until then, thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.